I can't believe she's late again. Let me call her. Hey, Chloe! Are you ready to learn about Microsoft Teams? I promise I'm going to make it really fun. What if I bring treats? Yeah? Yeah? All right, here we go. Let's get started. All right, so I'm going to open up Microsoft Teams. It's this little thing at the bottom of my computer. The little icon has a T, and that green check mark shows that I'm available. And this red little one right here that you see at the very bottom shows that I have a notification. It also popped up right here. Okay, so I can exit out of that. One of the first things you're going to see is your activity feed. And this tells you all the things that have been happening. So this is the one for all of the teachers. So we have a little post here, and it kind of is like a Facebook wall. I know you guys don't use Facebook, you're too young, but that's how it is. Next, I'm going to click on chat. So when I can click on chat, if I want to start a new chat, if I want to start a new conversation with someone, I go up here to this top icon right there where it says new chat. I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to enter the names. So let's say I want to talk to Mr. Severson. So I'll start to type in his name and I'll click on it. And it says you're starting a new conversation. Type your first message below. Down here, hello, Mr. Severson. How are you today? And then as soon as I click the enter key, it's going to send. There we go. So right here, this is showing me that Mr. Severson is not currently on, but as soon as he sees it, it'll notify me and the check mark will change. Just like in text messages or Instagram or whatever, you can see when someone sees your chat. You can also start group chats. So if I wanted to do that, this is a group chat with all the science teachers, okay? So you can see that here. Now, if I wanted to start a video chat, this is Miss Reiner, all I have to do is go up here and click the video. So let's talk to Mr. Bauer. Let's see how he's doing today. So I'm gonna go up here and I'm gonna click the video call button. And then it's very much like FaceTime. It's just calling him. Pardon me while I dance to the music. Come on, Mr. Bauer.
Right.
Hello, Mr. Bauer. How are you?
I'm doing well, Miss Sherman. How are you?
Good. Can you see me?
I cannot. I can see your little circle.
All right. I think it's because I'm also recording this, but this worked. Cool. Thank you for participating. Have a great day.
Okay, anytime.
Bye. It's going to ask you for the quality of your call, and I think the only reason it wouldn't show him me is because I'm recording to make a video for you. Over here, I'm going to click on Teams, and so there's different teams. I'm going to click over here to All Teams. It shows the staff, science department, and then it shows classes. So this is my 7th grade Core 1 class. And we can have conversations in here. I can upload class materials. We can do a notebook. There's files, class notebook, assignments, grades. But again, if I need you to use this platform, I'm going to let you know in Google Classroom. So just showing you how to use it. When you hover over a post, just like on Facebook, and you guys don't use it, sorry, you can have an option of different ways that you want to respond. So you don't have to comment on everything. You can just hit the likes or the thumbs up button to show that you saw a message, which is always good etiquette. Assignments down here. Again, I don't know that I'll be posting many assignments here, and the teacher version probably looks a little different, but there can be information put here. There's a calendar, and you can put information in here. Here you can make calls, you can add contacts. So if you want to add like some of your friends, you can actually contact them through here. So you can add them as a contact. and you can give him a call from here. So I can see right now Mr. Bauer's online because he has a green check mark. Miss Klombaki has it up, but she hasn't touched it in a little while, so you can kind of see who's available. So if my mark is ever green, you should definitely add me to your contacts. That means I'm available, I'm on, and I'm going to be able to respond to you really quickly. If you see a yellow clock or an X, that means I probably just might take me a little bit longer to get back to you, but I still will. So oh, hey, I'm getting a call. I can choose video or to answer. Hello, how's it going?
Hey.
I know you can't see me because I'm recording, but just wanted to show what it looks like when you get a call. Thank you. All right, have a good day. Bye. All right, so that's a very brief introduction to Microsoft Teams. If you have more questions, of course, you can let me know. So what did you think, Chloe? Was it pretty good? Did I do a good job? So clearly you weren't paying attention to me at all or listening to a single thing that I said. But good thing is you can go back and rewatch the video all over again because I'm not teaching it again. And then as soon as I click the enter key, it's going to send. There you go. So you're rewatching and you brought snacks. Nice. On. So I'm just going to sit back for a little while and I'm going to let you try it and get some practice. And you can let me know if you need help. Okay? Oh, I'm so glad you're practicing. Let me see what you're up to. Huh? Treats for very good doggos. I don't think that's what you were supposed to be practicing, Chloe. Can you please actually try just for a couple minutes? Just for a couple minutes, please? Please? All right, it looks like you've been working hard for a little while. Show me what you've been up to. Ms. Thomas. You're messaging Ms. Thomas? Ms. Thomas. Am very good doggo. Please send treats. With love, Chloe. Chloe, you can't send that. You can't send that. At least you're learning, I guess. Thanks for joining us. Hope you learned something, and we will learn with you again soon. Bye. Hey, Chloe. Come here, Chloe. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Actual snoozles.